Look at yourself right now. You're not tired, you're dopamine addicted. Phone, endless scrolling, cheap stimulation. They've hijacked your brain to choose comfort over power. That's why you feel weak, distracted, and stuck. Every night you promise last time, every morning you break it. And slowly, you lose yourself. So listen carefully, you don't have a discipline problem. You have a hijacked brain, and if you don't fix it now, your future will look exactly like your past. Here are the 5 steps to take back control. 1. Dopamine detox. For 7 days, 0 mindless scrolling, 0 binge content, 0 entertainment overdose, only work, books, and silence. Let your neurons feel boredom again. This isn't a detox. It's a declaration of war against your weakest self. 2. Visual control. What you feed your eyes programs your brain. Unfollow every account that triggers you. Delete your watch history. Block the sites pulling you back. Garbage in, garbage out. 1 week of only educational content, and watch your urges start fading on their own. 3. Physical exhaustion. Unused energy becomes lust. Tire your body so hard it has nothing left. Heavy workout in the morning, run in the evening. When your muscles are fatigued, your brain stops hunting for cheap pleasure. Channel your energy into the gym, not into relapse. 4. Urge replacement. Don't suppress, replace. The second an urge hits, cold water on your face, 20 push-ups, go outside, call someone. An urge is a wave. Wait 10 minutes and it dies. But if you sit with it, it wins. Urges aren't your enemy. They're signals that you have energy. Redirect at 5. Anti-boredom system. Most relapses don't come from strong urges. They come from boredom. You're alone, nothing to do, and the thought appears. So have your next move ready before the moment hits. A reading list, a skill to learn, a side hustle to build. An idle mind is lust's playground. A busy mind is discipline's battlefield. So ask yourself right now, who are you? If you keep saying, I always lose to my urges, you will keep losing. But the moment you decide, I control my body and my mind, the whole fight changes. Self-control isn't a superpower. It's the foundation of everything. If you can't control yourself, the world will. So decide right now. If you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, comment, I'm ready. Like this video and subscribe to Mind Logic.